How to add 45-second video on WhatsApp status. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can add 45-second video on WhatsApp status, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to basically add 45-second video, now the issue here was quite simple. Previously what used to happen was whenever you tried to add a video on WhatsApp and it was longer than 30 seconds, it would crop the video to 30 seconds. But fortunately and luckily now that is no longer the case, because all you have to do is now this time just make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Once you make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp, there's really no need for you to worry, because now WhatsApp will allow you to automatically and officially allow and upload you to upload the videos for up to 60 seconds long. So not only 45 seconds, but now if you go to updates and just try to update a status in this case over here, so you can simply go ahead and select a certain video. You can see this video is actually 43 seconds, but you can still upload more for up to 60 seconds. It will not crop it to 30 seconds or less, because this time WhatsApp came up with a new update that you can upload for up to 60 seconds. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.